Welcome again. Watched carefully previous video about xylem, complex permanent tissue. Okay. Let us start. Xylem and its types. Okay. So xylem, as we have discussed in the previous video, it is the chief conductive tissue. Chief conductive tissue it is. Okay. And what it conducts? It conducts water to all parts of the plant. Okay. Xylem and phloem, they both are known as vascular bundles. Clear? So इसका फंक्शन क्या है? वाटर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन करना प्लांट के हर एक पार्ट में. ओके. So these are four types: tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers, and xylem parenchyma. Okay. How many types are there? Four types. Tracheids. ऐसा टेल अर्लियर कि इसमें tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers. All these are dead cells. Only living क्या है? Xylem parenchyma is the living only. Okay. Tracheids. It consists of elongated hollow cells. Elongated hollow cells with its both pointed ends. Okay, it is having pointed ends. The walls of these cells are thick due to the deposition of lignin. Okay, जो cells हैं उनकी walls हैं thick हैं किसके कारण? Because of the deposition of lignin. कहीं कहीं we are at some points we are not finding this deposition of lignin. उन स्पॉट्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? पिट्स. ओके, जहाँ पे लिग्निन की एब्सेंस होगी these spots are known as pits. Okay, these are arranged in such a way that they form a system of long tubes or channels. ये ऐसे अरेंज है कि ये लॉन्ग ट्यूब्स और चैनल्स फॉर्म करते हैं. तो ये क्या फॉर्म कर देंगे? वेसल्स through which water can conduct easily, water can move easily. Okay, it is about the tracheids. elongated hollow cells है. Okay, और क्या हुआ इनमें? pointed ends है. These are thick because of the deposition of lignin. At some points we are not finding this deposition of lignin. और उन spots हम क्या बोलते हैं? They are called as pits. Okay, and they are arranged in such a way that they form long tubes or channels for the conduction of water, means movement of water easily. Okay, these are the dead cells. These are the dead cells. Okay, next vessels. These are placed one upon the other. ये एक दूसरे के ऊपर placed है. They form long tubes or channels. ये भी क्या फॉर्म करेंगे? long tubes और channels फॉर्म करते हैं. किसके लिए? For the conduction of water and dissolved minerals. Conduction of water and dissolved minerals. Xylem fibers. These are supportive in nature. Okay. If there is a question, which type of the xylem provides mechanical strength? Answer will be xylem fibers. These are supportive in nature and provide mechanical strength. ये क्या प्रोवाइड करेगा? इसका फंक्शन क्या है? मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ प्रोवाइड करना. Okay, next xylem parenchyma. It is dead, it is dead, it is dead. Xylem parenchyma, these are the living cells. इन चारों टाइप में xylem parenchyma ही living है. Only living components of the xylem tissue. Okay, only living component of the xylem complex permanent tissue. They are concerned with the storage of food and sideways conduction of water. इनका फंक्शन क्या है? फूड को स्टोर करना और साइड में से वाटर का कंडक्शन भी करना. ओके, सो दीज आर द टाइप्स ऑफ द xylem: tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers, xylem parenchyma. Okay, we can form a chart also of this. Let me tell you how you can form this chart. आप इसके टाइप्स को चार्ट की फॉर्म में भी कर सकते हैं. Let us discuss how we can do that chart. I think you have opened your books also, everyone. Am I right? So one side we can write cells, one side we can write nature of cells, and the other side we can write their functions. क्लियर? इसमें हम सेल्स लिखेंगे जाइलम की जितनी हमने सेल्स यहाँ पे स्टडी की. फर्स्ट ट्रैकीड्स. ट्रैकीड्स कैसे थे? elongated hollow cells. These were the elongated hollow cells with pointed ends. Okay. नेचर ऑफ सेल्स, दीज आर डेड. कैसा नेचर था सेल्स का? डेड है. फंक्शंस क्या है? कंडक्शन ऑफ वाटर. ओके, दे आर डूइंग कंडक्शन ऑफ वाटर एंड मिनरल्स. क्लियर? विच वॉज द सेकेंड वन? ट्रैकीड्स, वेसल्स. These are the long tubes or channels. Long tubes or channels. These are also dead. ये भी dead है. Clear? इनका ही function क्या है? Transportation of water. Transportation of water. Okay. Which was the third one? Third is xylem fiber. These are also dead cells. Okay. इनका function क्या है? I asked one question during the when we were discussing types. Mechanical strength provide करना. Yes. It provides mechanical strength to the plant parts. Okay. So last one is left. That was fourth one, xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma. I said only these are living. These are the living cells. इसका function क्या है? Storage of food. Storage of food, and sideways it conducts water also, and at sideways it conducts water also. So it is all about xylem. Xylem complex permanent tissue. Okay. Tracheids हैं, vessels हैं, xylem fibers, xylem parenchyma, all are dead. Living only xylem parenchyma, which is living. Functions: tracheids का conduction of water and minerals, same is transportation of water by these long tubes or channels. Xylem fibers dead हैं, provide mechanical strength, और xylem parenchyma living है, storage of food and sideways conduction of water. Okay, so this chart is to be made into fair notebooks also. ये आपको fair में भी draw करना है. Okay, it is to be drawn in the fair also. Clear to all? Good. And so it is all about the xylem. Phloem we will do next time. Phloem we will do next time. Okay, and in next time I will going to take the test. I will take test of this chapter. Okay, सिर्फ phloem को छोड़ के, only by living phloem I will take the test of this chapter. So be ready everyone. Okay, thank you and watch it carefully. Okay, if anything is not clear you may ask in comment section, and if anything is not clear watch the videos again and again. Okay, thank you everyone.